Hello po mga ka-job seekers, sobrang dami po ang kailangan ngayon papuntang Europa. Sila ay nangailangan ng mga maraming Filipino, lalong-lalo na po papuntang Hungary at Slovenia. So narito po ang kanilang kailangan. Nangailangan sila ngayon ng 75 machine operator, 50 production operator, 25 CNC machine operator, 35 assembly operators, 100 general worker, and 40 QE visual sorters. Nangailangan din po sila ng 30 mechanical technicians, 30 drivers, and 10 vegetable processor or pickers, and 15 welders. Must have held similar position for at least 1 year, minimum of 160 cm, must be a holder of secondary education diploma, skill related diploma or training certificate. Apostille docs is an advantage. Good physical conditions and able to carry conversation in English. Only qualified applicants will be contacted. Para po sa gustong mag-apply, pakisend lamang po ng inyong mga updated CV or application sa kanilang email address peridot4hungary@gmail.com or peridot4slovenia@gmail.com. So this is Job Seeker PH. Follow for more hiring updates.